What time is it? Okay, it is 10 to 10. Here's the deal. It's 10 to 10. I look like this. Our flight's at 4, but we have to leave for the airport at 1:45. I still need to pack, which is so unlike me. I'm always prepared. And I need to go to Walmart. And I need to run one errand. So I'm gonna do everything really fast. So hopefully you've got a chance to pack with me, but I gotta get all this stuff together ASAP, like right now. So I feel like the best way that my hair will travel intact to San Francisco is actually if I hot roller my hair, because it'll end up looking like a blowout. And I always find that if I do it this way, when I wake up tomorrow, my hair has body and it's not all like crazy. So let's hope for the best. Gotta do the hot rollers. I feel like a turtle. I feel so slow right now. I'm gonna try and do this quickly. Okay, now I can pack with my hair like this, and my hair is doing its thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna start packing. Okay, first things first, I am going to pack up all the clothes. So I got these pajamas from Walmart. They're really cute. I guess I should take the tags off. It's just this little set. I think it's really sweet. I needed some new pajamas, so that was easy. Then I have these little traveling pouches, so this is like socks, underwear, things like that. Okay, and here are some of the items that I will be taking. It is not Laura-Lee fashion attire if I don't have my shiny leggings, so I'm wearing one pair. I am packing 2 pairs. Can never have enough of those. And I think I will put those in these little guys, and then anything else I'll add to that later. And then I have a nice big organizer here that I'm going to use for my shirts and sweaters. So it's gonna be about 15 degrees Celsius there. I don't really remember what that is, but I'm gonna bring this red sweater. I'm gonna keep that out of the pouch. Same with this pink sweatshirt that I'll probably wear on the plane ride home. I have this light black turtleneck sweater. It's kind of see-through, but it's warm, but it's not hot, and it looks cute with lots of things. Then I'm gonna bring my Adidas t-shirt, which I will put in there as well. I'm going to bring this shirt that you see me wear, this like oversized blouse from Zara. I think that this is really nice because it can kind of be like dressed up in a pinch if you're like going somewhere, which means I gotta figure out about shoes. So that'll go in there. Then I also have 2 similar blouses. This one's from Joe Fresh, and it's kind of like this peasant top, and kind of use it for anything. And then I have a very similar one with a gold zipper and lace, and it's not my favorite, but this is just easy if like I need to look, you know, nice and still comfortable. Okay, so that's pretty much filled up this guy, so I'll zip this up. So that is that one. Then I'm going to be bringing just a regular pair of black jeans there as well. And these are from Suko jeans. I really like these. And then I just have 3 athletic tops. 2 of these are these Nike. One's a short sleeve. This one's a long sleeve. The dry fit or a tank top, because I believe we're going to Six Flags one of those days. And then I have my Nike pullover. So I thought if it's hot, I can wear the tank. If it's not so hot, I can wear the t-shirt. And if it's cool, I can wear the long sleeve. And that will be my my Six Flags attire. So we have socks, we have outfits, we have pajamas, we have pants. Now I just need my shoes, which I will be wearing running shoes on the flight. I'm not going to bring any type of, I don't think, boots, because it's not snowy there. And then I just need like my hair and skin product. So I need to pack that up right now. Next, moving on, I have my my makeup bag with my brushes in here. So I think that'll go on this side. I have my straightening iron. I'm not gonna bring anything but the straightening iron. I think it'll be fine. For products, I have this nice big bag that I use for all my my products. So I'm gonna put my toothpaste and my toothbrush in here, this Bobbi Brown vitamin elixir, this amazing Trader Joe's rose water that Alex sent me, Mario Badescu, and some deodorant. I'm gonna throw in a scrunchie and some jewelry in there, my cotton pads, and I'm gonna throw in this like fine comb brush, my hairbrush. Like, it fits so much in here, and that's about it. Oh, and you know what, I'm gonna throw in this headband in case I want to wear it. I don't know if I will have the chance, but just nice to have the option. I will bring my Topshop leather jacket just to be on the safe side, because I'm gonna bring a puffer, but then for everything else, I don't know. I probably won't use it, but it's just peace of mind knowing that I have it in there. So the last thing that I need to do is I just need to go buy some shampoo bottles to pour some of my shampoo in, so I can bring that, because I have huge bottles of shampoo. I'm gonna fold this baby up, and I'm good to go. And I will take out these rollers now. Lots of body. Look at all this beautiful snow. This is so crazy. We are leaving this winter wonderland tonight. I am actually really excited to go to San Francisco. So there's something that I've never shared about me, I don't think, is that I like really don't like flying, and this hasn't been my whole life, but it was like a little bit developed over time. And it was so bad that this summer, when we went to South Carolina, we went to Charleston, we were supposed to fly, and I had such bad anxiety about it, we actually ended up having to drive. But recently there's just been like a shift in my body, maybe in my mentality, I don't know, but coming up to the trip to San Francisco, like, I felt a lot of peace and no stress around flying, and so I actually feel really excited to go. So this is like a huge step in my life, because obviously I don't like to talk about that. It was like a very embarrassing thing as well. We had to cancel our flights, and it was just a headache. And so now going to San Francisco, it's like a big win, right? Aren't you glad you don't have to drive to San Francisco? That would be terrible. It'd take like 5 days to get there. Just ate lunch, and now we're going to Chapters, possibly Walmart. Smiling. And I don't know how much time we actually have. Okay, it's 11:49, so we need to be leaving for the airport at about 1:45. The Christmas stuff. So cute. Oh, I love that pillow.
2 hours later.
We are leaving for the airport right now. Andrew's just waiting for our Uber. I am really tired, which is good because I will probably sleep. Our first flight is to Salt Lake City, and it's a just over 3.5 hour flight, and then flight to Salt Lake to San Francisco is about an hour and 15, so I think our Uber's here.
This is actually good. This feels actually really good. It's when you push like this. That's nice. I've never had one of these before. Why are you smirking?
Yesterday's vlog, but that is because we got here super late. It was like 4 a.m. Toronto time, but it was 1 a.m. San Francisco time, so we were dead tired. So I'm gonna sign off here. It was a great flight and it was a great trip, travel time, whatever. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you again for another vlog.